Okay, where was I? Gotta see where you were before you walk away. Ooh, that's cold.
Did we find something? We don't know.
Alright, let's go look.
Touch it again.
Let's see, zoom in on it here.
Might be something. Hold on. I'll tell you when. What do you think it is?
Okay, extract it.
Oh my gosh, it is.
It is. Here, put it in your hand. Let's look at it. So it's missing a part of it, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it is. It's missing part of its side over there. It's a weird one. Isn't that a weird one? Look how long the stem is on it.
That tail is too wet.
Yeah.
Nice.
And it's like pink and white.
That's neat.
Little guy just sitting there saying, pick me up.
Ooh, what's this?
Cool. Nice chip. Chippy chip chip.
Chips.
Let's see what else we find, okay?
Oh,
Might find something
is this
else.
a Peter Pottery?
Nope, that's not. But we might find some out here. We'll keep looking. Alright.
So I'll start with the one.
Just flip it, okay?
Can we all miss it? Can you flip it?
Leave it on the ground and just flip it over this way.
And just, let's see the other side. It's gonna look like
Very cool. You know, we haven't found one with that long of a butt out here in a long time.
And then, I keep losing him, but oh, there he is. This one, he's not full either, but he's pretty close. You see him. Okay, shush. Don't touch it. These are just...
This is very cool. Look at that.
Which one are you looking at?
This is more like a knife then, right?
It is. And then, just a little bit farther, there's this guy.
Very nice.
He's just missing the tip again. Oops, I can't get hold of him. Well, I'll keep him on the ground. You can see his head.
Very nice.
That one got me excited because that's
Pretty nice, pretty formed.
Okay, guys, Mom, check this out. Complaint of Arrowhead.
so. Yeah, those are just the two right off the top here. So.
Yeah, the water must have come right down through here.
And then again, this is just what I'm finding in the rock. Gravel. Just worked, but... But yeah, this one's nice. Nice little, well-worked item. Pink. A lot of pink. That's not bad either. But yeah, that
Check
one...
this out.
that's nice too, yeah. Yeah, look at all... Yeah, there's a lot of nice ones here.
Oh, I wish the tip was on this
I
one.
know. That one, I haven't found one like
quite
that.
beautiful.
Very long.
I like the scale of it.
Yeah.
But this one is very unique. We haven't found one with the end like that in a while.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, I'm gonna set up my...
But you know, we find these, we
do.
find this part all the time.
And actually, it not as wide. I found them that they're more just, there's no, it's just a full, just knife.
Very cool.
So,
Yeah, so we got this washout area right here going on
very washed out.
where the water came down through.
See what I found?
There's been some deer through here.
Yes, that's what I was
So-
saying. The only tracks I'm finding are deer. Those are my
cool
chippies that I found. Yeah, isn't that nice?
Very cool.
Keep your eyes peeled.
I really...
Alright, ready? Let's go look at it. Let's look at it. It's right there. Look how big it is. Okay, you pick it up. Has it been dug out back there too? Isn't that cool? Now flip it. Flip it. Nice. Nice tip, huh? Very cool. I'll go show your mom. Go slow now. Also found this guy. Unfortunately broken. Beautiful though. Nice. And some pieces. There's another tip. Midsection. But another chunky tip. Very cool. Let's see what else we found. Take your time.
He's hiding. He's hiding. What do you think? Look at this guy. He's so okay, hold on tight when she says go. Oh, that's...
Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry. I'm like...
Get it, kid, get it.
Oh, that's...
Oh, man.
Aw.
It's going...
Rats.
Wait, is this it?
Nah, here, let's... Here, give it to her so she can...
Pretty.
Oh my gosh.
That's awful pretty. You're pretty.
Don't you wipe your mud on
This is a lot like Mama's.
That's awesome.
Except it's gray instead of pink.
It's a taller one.
Yeah, taller.
That's awesome.
Nicely shaped though.
I'll tell ya. Good find.
It was hiding.
Yeah,
Oh, that's pretty.
Thing.
Okay, this one's going in my pock. Put it in the pock. There's probably some more in here. We just gotta slow down. Take a look-see, right? Did you find something?
I didn't see it. I was like, what are you looking at? I went,
It's just sitting there.
oh.
Wait. It's just like, it's hanging up.
That is awesome.
Okay, we're gonna let Kelly extract this one. Okay, go for it.
Oh my god.
Hi, you're just sitting there. He's but beat up, but hey, I still like it.
Oh, the fact that he's just like,
I know.
How did we not see that?
I don't
it's
know.
just-
Here, you want to
Yeah, be
hold it?
careful.
Here, look at the end of that one. Isn't that pretty cool?
oh wow,
What do you think of that one?
that's awesome.
That's pretty wild.
I know I could tell you're like,
That's because I was laughing about it. That's so cool. Look around before I get there.
Like, and I'm like, what?
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, obviously
it's the
have,
end.
but it's
the end.
about.
Oh my god, that's beautiful. Why couldn't you have been full?
No doubt. Wow.
I just found one like that had that long,
Seriously.
and it's sharp. It's not rounded. It's just like
It's just
angled.
yeah. Is the other part in here? It's
Oh,
so
I'd look.
perfect. It's so perfect.
Beautiful color too.
Yes.
Oh, there's your stash.
Yeah, I know. I got.
No, that's my stash.
Is that your stash?
I still need to go in here, but this one's just hanging out.
Oh, nice little guy.
He's a little buddy. I know it was started to be tip day, now it's a bit day.
Where's the rest of you? I know, right?
Sorry. Let me put him back down on the ground. He'll probably pop up more.
Is that the tip that goes to it or the midsection? There's a tip right there, right next to it.
Wow.
I'm getting out of your zone. That's cool.
Nice. Hey, thanks for the tip.
Thanks for the tip. All right. I just came over here.
Okay, so this is a hot zone. This guy I could tell was something. Wait. Ooh.
Kind of awkward position. You get a review?
So here's what made me go, oh. That is so pretty. So crazy.
Wow, I like that one.
I know. That made me go,
Oh,
yes.
look at that. Look how perfect the end of that is.
I know. I wasn't expecting to find
It's very formed,
nice,
well formed.
items.
Cool.
Here, put this one in your pocket. Put this one in your envelope. But just seeing it makes you just excited. So.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I know, right? I mean, it makes me just want to drop all that and go. So, what are we going to have? Please be home, please be home. Wait, what is it? What is it? Oh, weird.
Maybe it was a big drill or something.
I don't know.
Or, well, it's
That
probably
has
a
been
butt.
worked. Yeah. There it is. All right.
I love the color, though.
I was really hoping it had some really cool.
God, it even washed out over here, didn't it? Found any, like, grinding stones or any?
I'm not really gonna find those lovelies. Yes. I mean, seriously, just another butt. Just sit there. Hi. Look at the butt into that. It's okay. But look at that beautiful. I mean, I think he's pretty.
Has the tip been reworked?
I don't think so. I think
right
he
there?
just got a little.
Are you sure?
I think. Well, I don't know.
He's had a rough life. Sure has.
Did you find one? Okay, so I just saw this little chunky, and I did this.
Cool. Ooh, he's a fat boy.
Yeah,
Look how wide that one
he's
is.
missing his little tippy. Hi.
Gosh. Wait. Put your hand back up.
Your hand's clean.
Wow. Cool.
So, like, this mud zone right here. Just look around. See these flat things, I'm like, are you?
Yeah, I know. It's like, now you're like, there's a little edge sticking out there, and okay, so this was totally covered, okay? Totally covered. And you know what we just talking about? Bird points? Okay. So,
Bird point?
it's under that.
I dreamt of him. He has been Oh, that I'm serious. Although he was red, but that is still what I was
Holy
looking for.
shit.
I'm serious, man.
My God. Kelly, don't go. Stay here.
That is.
Oh my God, this was supposed to be for you, I guess. Oh my God, look at the tip.
Seriously,
it's intact.
I'm.
Oh my God. Freaking out just a little bit.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at the tip, it's intact.
Good job.
Holy moly.
I've been walking over here. That one
Okay,
was
you're
for
not
you.
going nowhere. Reel your kid in. I'm going to back off this zone. You go reel your kid in, okay?
No.
Come on, I'm going to go this way. Wow.
Well, there's this guy. He's just rudimentary. He's not finished. But this guy. Oh, he's a helper, but he's really half. But he's a big one.
Oh, nice.
Nice
Throw
color.
one like that over here.
So yeah, this. So I like his color. That's what.
Yeah, I found one like this.
And he's kind of rough on the other side, but that one side is awesome. Cool. Man. I know. Tell ya. Still more. What do we have here?
No. Fortunately,
We're still looking and we're still finding.
it's broken, but it's a pretty little
It's
thing.
a pretty little butt. I'm finding all the butts.
Grass.
Very cool. He's a neat little guy. So much. Here's your deuce.
Just found this little guy. He's buried all the way up to a little edge. That would have been one beautiful piece if it hadn't cleaved in half. I like the coloring on it. It's really cool. It's nice and thin. Very well worked too. Very pretty. Look how thin it is. And it's consistent. I mean, wow, that would have been a beautiful point. So far, we've just been finding lots of little broken pieces. Found this very beat up butt end. And some other little chunky things so far. We'll see if we find some more. Never know. That one was just showing an edge. Okay, so we're going to do this over just in case. Gabrielle's pieces.
That's cool. I do like that spot.
Yeah, I do too. I think these are neat. Little pieces.
The fins.
Toof. This is an interesting thing. Part of something we don't know what. This is very well defined, and I love the stripage going on in it.
If only it was whole.
I know.
I think that was a tip, but
Yeah. These two guys, which are totally cool. I wish this one was full. And look how thick it is.
I know it's beefy. This one kind of looks the same color, but just a little thinner. Too rough.
Probably, you think that was a drill? Had a tip on it, you think?
Maybe.
Here's this guy.
Yeah.
Here's another one of the stubbies. Do you think this one was reworked at one point? Maybe broken and then reworked?
Possibly.
Because it kind of has a Adina base on it. But
And
the
then it's
wings
stubby.
are too far out
Yeah.
for Adina.
They tried to do a rework.
This is nice. Red. Little pink eye. There's the first one. Started it all.
Yeah.
This little guy wish he was whole. And this has got the same base as this one does.
Oh yeah.
A rounded end. Junk pile. Some tips. Guy. He's pretty rough, actually. And so is this one. This is the one that's standing up, just saying, "Hey, here I am." He's got that same base as yours does, kind of.
The best
Like this guy.
The best
Gray one.
The best one we've found yet.
He's fat. I know. He's cool. Look how fat he is. Broken. Same base as Kelly's. guy. This one, he's got actually the other wing and the base missing. And I don't know, maybe that was a knife. And then the little guys, this is that wafer thin, I think it got abandoned while working. The little guy, weird little, he's got like a long shank on it. That's kind of a weird one. And then the nice little guy here, still has the tip. It's got some issues like over on this side here, but it's still a nice point.
Solid.
And that's that.
Good finds.
We find some more.
Get back out there.
What else are we gonna find?
Ghost mist and stuff, right?
We don't know.